Welcome back to Grow My Saving. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest secrets behind real lasting wealth, long-term thinking. You see, wealthy people don't just think about the next month or the next year, they think in decades. They make choices today that will still pay off 10, 20, even 30 years from now. So in this episode, we'll unpack what long-term thinking really means, why it's so powerful, and how you can start applying it, no matter your income or age. Long-term thinking means focusing on sustainable growth instead of instant rewards. It's the difference between spending money on quick pleasures versus investing it to earn returns, chasing viral stocks versus holding solid investments for years, trying to get rich fast versus staying consistent and letting time do the work. In short, the wealthy play the long game. They understand that small, smart decisions repeated over years build unstoppable momentum. As Warren Buffett famously said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Wealthy people understand a truth many overlook. Time is your biggest asset. When you think long term, you give your investments and your habits time to grow. Compound interest, career growth, real estate appreciation, they all need time. Here's an example. If you invest $200 a month, starting at age 25, earning 8% annually, by age 60, you'd have over $375,000. If you start just 10 years later, you'd have only $167,000. That's the power of time. Not luck, not timing the market, but consistency. That's why wealthy people stay patient even when the market dips, because they're focused on where it'll be in 10 years, not 10 days. Here's how you can start thinking like a long-term investor. Set clear goals. Know what you're building toward, retirement, freedom, or security. Be patient with results. Real growth feels slow at first, but it accelerates over time. Ignore short-term noise. News headlines and social media can trigger emotional reactions, stay focused on your plan. Keep learning. The more you understand money, the more confident you'll be in the long run. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built over time by people who refuse to quit early. When you adopt a long-term mindset, setbacks stop feeling like failures. They become part of your journey. You stop reacting to every dip, every trend, every fear. Because true wealth isn't just about money, it's about stability, peace of mind, and vision. It's about knowing your future is growing even when today feels uncertain. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Saving. Remember, slow and steady wins the wealth race. Think long-term, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. And in our next episode,